Hello viewers, today I'm going to show you how to make a black tone color effect on a portrait. So this is the portrait and I'm going to add this dark tone color effect here. To check the before and after later, I'm creating a copy of this layer. And now I'm converting it to smart object. If we apply any filter on smart object, then we can give reveal it later and we can edit the values later. Now I'm going to open the camera raw filter. On camera raw filter, I'm giving a less temperature and a little bit tint. And here the exposure is quite okay. Now I'm increasing the highlights and shadows as well. As we are seeing, the image has a lot of gain, therefore I am reducing the texture and giving a little bit clarity. Now I'm going to color tone curve and I'm locking this linear line. To giving a little bit matte effect, I'm increasing this lower part. Now I'm taking the color green. I think green is okay. Now I'm taking blue and locking it. And here I'm giving a little bit matte effect of the green color. Therefore I'm increasing the lower part. Look, the green is increasing. Now I'm going to detail and sharpening. Give it around 14 and luminance around 10. I'm going to HSL, which is hue, saturation and luminance. On saturation portion, I'm increasing the reds and on luminance, I'm decreasing the reds. On saturation, I'm increasing the orange as well. And on luminance, I'm decreasing the orange. Here is the split toning. Split toning is the main thing to set a color tone. So here I am increasing the saturation around 11 and I am giving the hue here around 35. And on shadow portion I am giving the saturation around 10 and giving the hue to, so here 290 is okay. Now here I am giving a little bit dignity. Not much, and giving the feather around 100%. And here the calibration. You know there are three primary colors, which is red, green and blue. On this calibration, we can work with these three primary colors to make it more beautiful. Here on red, I'm increasing the red and decreasing the saturation of red. Now from green, I'm just increasing the saturation. And on blue, I'm decreasing the blue and also decreasing the saturation of blue. Now we have done the primary color correction for dark toning. Just click on OK. So look, this was before and this is now. Now we can also re-edit all the values by double clicking on camera filter like this. But we don't need right now. Now we can add few more effects on this photo. Therefore I am merging all the layers by pressing Ctrl Shift Alt and E. So this is the merged layer and I'm converting it to Smart Object. And I'm going to filter Nick Collection and Color Effects Pro 4. Click the OK. Here you are seeing a lot of filter and effects. So for this photo I'm going for cross processing, and from method I'm taking L02. A little less strength will looks good. So here I'm giving 25%. Now click on OK. So here this is the photo of after using the dark tone effect. Just check what was the initial photo and what is now. Just press Alt button and click this eye. This was the initial photo and this is now. Hope you have liked this tutorial, so please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and keep liking and commenting. Thank you.